I believe the prosecutor is filling in for that.
Yes.
Oh, okay, fine.
I apologize. I knew that was sent to the court. I didn't realize you didn't get that information.
I'll take the go either way. All right, this is case number 2513685 FH People versus James Jeffrey Larry. Mr. Larry is here for sentencing, prosecution, and defense. There was a pre-sentence investigation report timely made available to.
Yes, Your Honor.
It was, Your Honor.
Mr. Greer, you had the opportunity to read the report and discuss it with your client.
I have, Your Honor.
Do you have any additions, corrections, or challenges?
No, Your Honor.
Anything that you want the court to consider?
I would ask the court to go along with the report. My client has done 128 days up until today. He's going to get out, take care of his father. His mother was just put in a nursing home. He plans on making arrangements for payment to the front of the court to get this taken care of.
All right, Mr. Larrabee, have you had the opportunity to read the report and discuss it with Mr. Greer?
Yes, sir, I have.
Do you have any additions, corrections, or challenges?
No, sir.
Do you want the court to consider?
Just the same thing that Mr. Greer.
All right, Ms. Robinson, any additions, corrections, or challenges?
No additions, corrections, or challenges, Your Honor.
Anything that you want the court to consider?
Your Honor, it is my understanding that the victim did not file a written victim impact statement with the Attorney General's office. We're standing in for them. So first, I would ask the court to inquire if there's anybody in the courtroom today that would like to make a statement verbally.
Are either of you ladies here on the Larrabee case? Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the people are of the position that the recommendations contained in the report are appropriate. Agree with the recommendation of 28 days in jail with credit for 28 days. Ask the court order all statutorily required fines and costs, such as the crime victims and the state costs. And we just put on the record that the $669 per month obligation continues, and the current arrears are $26,571.50. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So as to the jail credit, what the court came up with was 80 days of jail credit. What the notes indicate were that he was arrested on a different case, January 10th of 2024, released the next day. He was arrested September 23rd, 2025 on this case and another case that he was serving a sentence from the 23rd of September through November 7th. Credit would be November 7th through yesterday, 125 to 26 for a total of 80 days. The calculation of the jail credit, that shows credit for 110 of 24, but this case wasn't even charged until 2025. And then he was serving a sentence for another section of that, so I think I have 80 days. Any of that sound right to you, Ms. Robinson?
That sounds correct to me, Your Honor, based on the information I have.
Mr. Greer?
It would, Your Honor. I wasn't aware there was a companion case, so I relied on 128 days.
All right. So the court recognizes that the advisory guidelines would suggest a sentence between 0 and 9 months. The court's going to exercise my discretion and sentence consistent with the advisory guidelines, consistent with the plea agreement in this case. Actually, there was no plea agreement, it was just an unconditional plea. Be the sentence of the court that this defendant served 120 days in the Nuevo County Jail. Give him credit for 80 days that he served so far. That's the same sentence for count 1 and count 2. Now, there's a $68 state cost assessment, $130 crime victims' rights fund fee. The court's going to place him on probation for 2 years. There's a $30 per month probation oversight fee for regular probation, $60 a month for electronic monitoring or tether. Can you pay those financial assessments today, sir?
No, sir, I cannot.
How much time do you need?
I'm gonna need a couple of weeks after I get out. I actually gotta go back to work.
Okay, 30 days should be good enough.
Probably more than that, Your Honor, realistically.
Yeah,
I would ask for 90. He's got what he has to do is, when he gets out, he has to file a motion to lower the child support with a friend of the court. I told him to do that. He has to do that. I don't know that he does have a job. He works for a builder, so it's gonna be a while.
How much are you gonna make when you get out, sir?
150 an install, I'd be 2 or 3 installs a week.
What field do you work in? Plumbing?
Yes, sir. I do tub and shower installs.
Okay. If you're only making $450 a week, that's like $10 an hour. Can't you do better than that?
That's what I like to do.
What does that mean?
It's what I enjoy doing it, and I'm good at it.
But you don't make any money.
Make enough.
I'm good at fly fishing, but it doesn't pay me very well.
I'm trying to.
You're not trying. You're not trying. You know, 16, what was it? At the time of this report, $19,000. That's not trying.
I understand that. I wasn't trying.
I'll give you 45 days from release from jail to pay your financial assessments. Now, if you can plumb and do stuff like that, there's no way in the world you should be satisfied with making $450 a week.
Right.
You should want more for yourself. You should want more for your kids and whatever. I mean, it's just ridiculous.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to make application for your conviction sentence. Or attorney court can which one appeal request for lawyer to file with court. Within 42 days, you also have the right to petition the court for early discharge from probation if you successfully complete half your term. So,
Thank you, Your Honor.